I'll suggest everyone to study this subject particularly because it is research oriented as well as it's in a developing area.
Being able to handle the data yourself that you are collecting and having that desk work option available to you, that sort of appeals to me. A little bit of field work and then a little bit of desk work, that's perfect.
Geographical Information Systems, or GIS, is effectively wherever we're using spatial data and technology which allows us to analyse and present and observe these different types of spatial data sets for solving all manner of real-world problems, and that's what we're training our students on the course.
The research is based on climate as well as the research based on zoological animals and different ocean species.
Ancillary technologies like Python, surveying, drones.
It's a well-established course at this university.
So on the MSc in GIS, there's lots of different application areas that we will kind of demonstrate as part of the understanding how to use certain types of data and how to use certain types of software. So anything to do with monitoring changes on the Earth's surface.
So we have the industry standards. So for instance, ArcGIS from Esri, we have Hexagon's EarthAS Imagine. But we also deal with open source software such as QGIS.
So I'd say probably the best thing that we do is the field work. We've just come back from 3 days working in West Sussex, so a location about an hour from Portsmouth, and the weather was fantastic, so we had a really great time with the students.
And it's actually applying all that stuff that we've got on paper into the real world. We use total stations and multi-stations to develop a digital sort of model of the topology of the land.
And I really enjoyed it, and I used different type of instruments for collecting the survey points.
The standout moments on this course are always sort of the final product, you know, that really does sort of just represent all of the hours of graph that you've put into the, you know, sat at the computer, and it's always very rewarding.
When they do well in the assessment that they probably didn't think they would, that's something I quite enjoy, to get them there in the end.
Well, Portsmouth's great, you know, I mean, outside of the Masters, you know, you've got obviously all the societies and things like that.
It's a great city, it's a great location.
I will suggest this one particularly to everyone.
It's great fun. I'd say do it.